Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Math is Easy. Step by step, we got some shaking happening today. Shake, rattle, and roll. All right. So I'm going to continue going over congruent angles. And today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about corresponding angles, right? Corresponding angles are congruent. What are corresponding angles? Well, angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. They're equal to each other, right? Angle 4 and angle 8 are corresponding angles. They're equal to each other or congruent, right? Angles 1 and angle 5 are congruent. Angle 3 and angle 7 are congruent. These are called corresponding angles. Okay, I have them here for you if I'm going too fast. Please stop, pause, rewind the video. All right. So I'd like to go over and review with you the other different types of congruent angles we have here. We have, all right, there's the diagram. We have vertical angles, right? So remember 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 2 and 3, vertical angles. Remember 5 and 8, vertical angles. 6 and 7, vertical angles. And vertical angles are congruent. Alternating interior angles, right? Angle 4 and angle 5. They're inside the parallel lines. They're alternating the line, transversal line cutting through those two parallel lines. Angle 3 and angle 6 are inside the parallel lines, and they're alternating sides of the transversal line. Those are called alternating interior angles. Alternating exterior angles, right? Angle 1 and angle 8. Angle 1 and angle 8, they're both outside the parallel lines, and they're alternating the side of the transversal. So they're alternating exterior. And also 2 and 7 are alternating exterior angles. All right, if I've gone too fast, please stop, pause, or rewind the video and check it out. The more and more you get familiar with this, the more and more you practice, you will be able to understand and memorize a little bit better the more you practice. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. You can absolutely do this. If I've helped you, please help me come to others. Like, follow, and share these videos.